It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management here at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 322, Providence, Rhode Island, the Providence Lofts. It's a third floor studio loft for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Closet right there to my right. Beautiful hardwood flooring, high ceilings, mini splits, ceiling fans, big windows for plenty of natural light. 750 square feet, all utilities included. Kitchen area here, refrigerator, built-in microwave, countertop and cabinet space, electric stove top, no oven, and a sink. To my left in the kitchen here, you got the bathroom with a shower, brand new vanity. Plenty of room here for kitchen, living room, and bedroom set. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 322, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.